James and Courtney were building their dream home, a place to raise their 3 kids and create lasting memories. At the heart of their vision was a pond, not just for beauty, but as a tribute to James's father. Growing up in Korea, his father was inspired by serene ponds. And as a landscape architect in the US, he saw this as his chance to design a lasting legacy for his family. To bring their vision to life, they turned to modern design aquascaping. Under Tristan's leadership, the team built a breathtaking 20-foot by 30-foot pond with 2 streams flowing into a 10-foot long by 10-foot wide series of waterfalls. Massive Tennessee boulders, driftwood accents, and a custom jet system created a natural flowing design, while a bog filled with carnivorous plants added beauty and function. Once completed, vibrant lilies and aquatic plants filled the water, while hand-selected Japanese koi from a Japan trip glided gracefully through their new home. James's father's landscape design tied everything together, with winding walkways and curated plantings. Now this space is more than just a pond. It's a living tribute to the family, heritage, and love that went into creating it. A place where James, Courtney, and their 3 children can enjoy for generations to come.